Hey guys, Andy here. You ever drive down the road, minding your own business, and then, like a bad omen, something a little funky seems to be happening to your car? Maybe a light pops up that you haven't seen before, or some kind of rattle or shake develops that you could have sworn wasn't there before. What's happening? Is it bad? Well, we here at Bumper.com care about you and your safety, so we put together a list of the 6 signs that mean your car is saying, "Help me!" A warning light that seemingly illuminates out of nowhere is a good, or bad I guess, sign that your car may need to be checked out by your local mechanic. These lights exist for a range of reasons, which of course means that there could be a range of problems. For instance, when your check engine light comes on, you may have an issue that needs to be professionally diagnosed, or it could be a loose fuel cap. If lights illuminate when you turn on the ignition and don't go off, you probably want to get your vehicle checked out. And if your check engine light is flashing, you have an immediate concern to address. When you get into your car and turn it on, it's obviously going to make a little noise. Your car engine and your AC aren't silent after all. You'll always have some ambient sound while driving, but there are some noises that you may hear that should make you go, For instance, squealing brakes, squealing or whining engine, scraping noises, knocking, whistling, or gears grinding. Keep in mind how loud your car's engine typically is. If you're able to hear a noise over the engine while you're driving, it's likely you have an issue that needs to be addressed. Likewise, if your engine is making noises that are different from its usual purr. If you experience rough idling or vibrations while braking or while driving at any speed, you should probably get it checked out. If you're curious about what might be happening, our helpful "Why is my car shaking?" video is live on YouTube. Link in the description below. Note when the vibrations occur. Vibrations while idling could indicate engine problems such as misfiring cylinder. If your car is shaking while driving at speed, it could be an issue with the wheels or suspension. Vibrations that occur while braking, surprisingly enough, could mean trouble with your brakes. Before we move on, do us a favor and share and like this video. It helps more people find our videos. The brakes are arguably the most important part of a car. They can literally mean the difference between a near miss and a fatality. If you're feeling a change in responsiveness in your brakes, if they feel spongy or you get a vibrating or pulsing sensation when braking, they feel overly sensitive or not as responsive as they usually do, you should probably get your car checked as soon as you can. If you are having brake issues and you have any doubts about the safety of driving your car to your mechanic's garage, give them a call and ask if they can visit you for an inspection, or have your car towed there instead. Find yourself heading to the gas pump more often than usual, even though you're not driving anymore? If you need to fill up more often than usual, it's a bad sign. Possible causes are a faulty engine, faulty spark plug or O2 sensor, worn tires, incorrect engine oil, or a worn out clutch. Get thee to a mechanic to have it looked at. It's never a good thing when you have engine troubles, and there are a number of clear signs that you'll need service. First of all, your engine should be quick and responsive when you turn on the ignition. Now, a cold wintry morning may see a car start a little slower than normal, but overall, the car should be quick to start. If you notice an issue that persists or the decline in start time continues over a longer period, then you could have a problem. Finally, if your engine is cutting out, stalling, or taking longer to start, or if your car stalls or cuts out while idling, it's a clear sign something isn't right. Don't delay in taking your baby to a mechanic for a full checkup. Think we've missed a sign? Give us a heads up in the comments below. And if you found this video informative, please take a moment to like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more content.